today's assignment is telling you what's so cool about manufacturing. This will be due in a week. I expect a lot from you guys, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Group number 1, you'll be doing ATAS International.
Isn't ATAS International about like metal roofing? That's so boring.
What'd you say?
Roofing is boring.
Well, if you looked into roofing, you'd see that's actually interesting. Jack Buss founded the company in the basement of his home. Over the years, it has grown to what we now know as ATAS International. ATAS is a family-owned company with global reach. They sell their products all over the world.
We have sold a lot. I would say at least 15 other countries. A lot in Europe, a lot in Asia, a lot in the Caribbean, and probably our biggest international country is Canada.
Here, you aren't required to receive a college education.
You have to be educated. You don't need like go to college or anything for it, but you need to know like basic math, measuring, addition, general geometry and stuff. Definitely helps.
They treat their employees and customers as part of their family, which got them to where they are today.
I think the environment and the culture here at ATAS is very good and very strong. We have a lot of employees who we rely heavily on, and they do a very good job of what they do.
Even though ATAS is a relatively small business, that doesn't stop them from being the leading manufacturer of metal roofing, ceilings, and more. They have advanced machines such as the turret press and the Dutch seam. ATAS International doesn't just manufacture to get the job done, but rather to satisfy the customer's personal needs.
And that's our project about what's so cool about manufacturing. Great job, Rob. I'm so proud. There's a lot more to manufacturing than I thought there was.
I told you so.